Hello, my name is Kevin Jimenez Rodriguez, a sports management student. Aguadillos, Cundinamarca is outdoor rich in culture and resilience. Yet many people, why disabilities, still face barriers to inclusion and participation. Sport a calm decade of transformation. This reality. The East Boxia Digital Inclusion in Motion and Social Entrepreneurship project that used Boxia, a Paralympic sport of precision and strategy, to promote inclusion, dignity, and community transformation. Our mission is to highlight the talent of people with disabilities and raise awareness through innovation, digital strategies. B 2035, Boxia Digital, cual vivió national referencia and adapted sport position Guayos as model of inclusion and equality. We promote Boxia Digital through Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and WhatsApp community groups. Our campaign Aguadillos Play Boxia, Child Testament Challenge, and short videos to inspire participation. Our activities include training sessions, community tournaments, and in audiovisual content showing the benefits of Boxia. Will reimburse a resolution into inclusion program funded the institution, ground floor, and local sport shop chip. Market analysis show a strong need for inclusive spaces and opportunities to promote boxing. Our value proposition combines social inclusion, digital innovation, and community development. Boxia Digital Inclusion in Motion is more than a sport club in the social engagement that turns inclusion into activities, equality into space, and sport top help, top youth campaign, share our vision, and the best part is for the transformation.